It's another day of proceedings at the Upper Legislative House. Besides continuation of debate on the 2017 appropriations, one of the motions raised on the floor of the Senate is an alleged irregularity in the approval of contracts by the Bureau of Public Procurement. According to the sponsor of the motion, Senator Gino Melai, while Doe Project Limited was recommended for the rehabilitation of Numan Jalingo roads for 11.7 billion naira, the BPP awarded the contract to Rock Bridge Construction Limited at 12.8 billion naira, and that while the Ministry of Works recommended Don Macris Global Resources Limited for the rehabilitation of Nenwe Nomwe Mburubu Nara Road project at 5 billion naira, the BPP awarded it to Arab Contractors Nigeria Limited at 6.4 billion naira.
The BPP, in contravention of Public Procurement Act, went beyond its mandate to award the contract to companies not recommended by the procuring entity. For instance, the procuring entity recommended Dues Project Limited for the rehabilitation of Numan Jalingo Road for 11.7 billion. The BPP awarded the contract to Rock Bridge Construction Limited at 12.8 billion.
There was contributions on the motion. While some of the senators are asking that its Committee on Works be sensitive to timing so that the contract is not stalled, some argue that issues of technical expertise must also be considered when the probe of the matter commences.
Whatever investigation we are doing should not prejudice the continued performance of that contract, because if we do, it means that by the time we get into the rainy season, these people will not be able to work again.
There must be strict adherence to certain levels of quality performance. From the list that I have seen in this motion, the two first-in companies appear to have a history of road building. The two that were initially recommended don't seem to have obvious records.
The Senate resolved that its Committee on Public Procurement should investigate the allegation and present a report in 4 weeks.